This is Greg with Leash K9 Georgia, and I'm here with this pretty girl. This is Honey Lemon. Honey Lemon is a 4-year-old Goldendoodle. She's going to be the newest member of our board and train family. Owners don't have any real issues with Honey Lemon. There's a few things. One, she's a pretty big leash puller. They just had a baby. I think the baby's 8 months old, so taking the baby on a walk with a stroller with Honey Lemon at the side, lots of pulling, so it's very hard for them to take her on a walk. Another thing, the dad says that she will listen to what he says to do, does a lot of this stuff, but when the mom or the other kids try to get Honey Lemon to do something, it's no-go. Honey's just going to do what she wants to do. Other than that, she knows some commands. It's just getting that consistency, working on her manners. She is a bit of a jumper too. All things we're going to work on with Honey Lemon in the next 2 weeks. Of course, that basic advanced obedience, and of course our famous off-leash reliability. So I'm going to run little Honey Lemon through a test here, see what she knows. We'll go from there. All right? Let me show you what you got. Okay. All right. Come on. Honey Lemon, come. Oh, good girl. Sit. Good. Sit. No, I didn't say sit. No, right. Sit. Down. Down. Oh, good girl. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Good girl. Okay, come on. Honey Lemon, heel. 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 Okay, good girl. Honey Lemon. Place. 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 Okay. All right. You see what we're working with? Y'all keep on watching, see what we're going to do in 2 weeks' time. Hey, Sweetie Pie, you ready to go train? You want to go train? Come on, let's go train.